Hi, this is Linda with Wines, Pines, and Canines. Today I'm going to review one of our absolute favorite parks to visit. That is the Travelers Rest KOA, located at 2400 North Highway 25 in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. This park is about 30 minutes north of Greenville, South Carolina, and about 60 minutes south of Asheville, North Carolina, and it is a absolutely beautiful area to visit. The thing that makes this park so fantastic are the owners. They are very much engaged with the park. They're always around, quick to respond by phone if you have any trouble. We've stayed here 3 times now and have been thrilled each time that we have stayed here. We're going to show you at the end our favorite site. We've stayed at it twice now, and there's a reason why it's our favorite site, which I will again show you at the end. One of the best things about this park, though, is the fact that there is so much space between the sites. You don't feel crowded to your neighbor. That's unlike so many KOAs that we have stayed at. So we just love this park for that reason as well. Another great thing about this park is almost all of the sites. There are 45 sites, and 42 of them are all, when you drive into the park, on the right side of the park, and they border Johnson's Creek. So you don't have people constantly in front of you, behind you, and to each side. So in this park, it's really your neighbors to your left and your right. That's it. In the back, you're going to, for the most part, back up to a creek. In the front, you're going to be looking at woods, except for the few sites kind of in the middle of the park, around the bathhouse, and the playground, where there are a couple of sites that do face one another. But again, there's just a lot of space, so you can feel like you can spread out a little bit and not be on top of your neighbor. So the owners, I believe, bought this park back in 2015, and they have put a lot of improvements into this park, and they have been winning multiple KOA awards during this time. So the 3 times that we have stayed here, we have stayed in the back part of the park where the tent sites are, and sites 38 to 42. They're premium patio, full hookup. They have concrete pads, furniture on the sites, swings, fire pits, and just everything that you need. We love it because we don't even have to pull out our lawn chairs and a table from there. So what you're looking at right now is going back out of the park now from our site 38. And these are the few sites that are on the other side of the road, 43 and 44. They're right next to the playground. And behind the playground to the right is where the bathhouse, the pool, and some additional things for kids are, the dog walk, and the laundry. So going through the park, you can see it's very wooded. It's very secluded. One of the downfalls that we have found, and it's not a deal breaker for us, but Verizon cell phone service, we got maybe 1 or 2 bars. We weren't really able to surf the internet on our phones or our devices off of the Verizon signal. We could make calls or receive texts, but we weren't doing any type of internet work on our cell phones. They do have Wi-Fi service though, and it was fine. We had no trouble with that. I don't know that you would be able to stream with the internet service, but certainly you can surf the internet and check your emails, things like that, with absolutely no problem at all. So the Travelers Rest and Greenville area is a fantastic area to visit. We are going to have another video up soon, so if you are interested in the area, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you know when that video has posted. But you're about 10-15 minutes from Travelers Rest, gas stations, grocery store, and food, all within that 10 to 15 minutes. And if you're interested, wineries are within 30 minutes. Okay, gonna take you on a bit of a walk through the Travelers Rest KOA. Up to the bathhouse and the laundromat. That is the tent sites there.
Look at the squirrel.
Isn't it the dog walk? Up above is the dog walk area. Cute little playground for the kids. Picnic tables. And up on this hill is where we're walking to the bathhouse and the laundry. So we're up on top of the little hill. This is a little gem mining that they have for the kids. Checkerboard. Some more little games. And then we have the laundry. Pretty good pricing. What is seen? Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Not a big laundry room. But very, very clean. You can drive up here as well if you wanted to do the laundry. We have the bathrooms. And they do have a pool, although it's closed at this time of year. And the bathrooms. Once again, very clean. It's a beautiful evening. This is our site right here, site 38. I'm going to take you back to why this is such a fantastic site. But first, you can see here, it goes to, I believe, site 42. There's a lot of space between the sites, and back here it is super quiet. These are the tent sites here. And the next sites are way down there. And nobody in front of you, just woods. So let me walk you down to our site, show you why we have stayed here multiple times. It's our favorite park and why. This is a deluxe patio site. It's gravel, no levelers needed. Have concrete site, outdoor furniture, so we don't even need to bring out our own chairs. A swing. It's our camper. It has more chairs around a fire pit. And then the best part of the site, hopefully you can see it as the sun is going down here. This is for this site only. So it's a little walkway. You walk down over the little creek that runs back through here. You can't see it at night. And here is your own little island. They have lights out. You could turn on and off. Another swing set. A tent pad. Another electrical box. And again, this sits on the creek behind you. And another little fire pit. So you can sit here at night and be totally alone. And it's just a fantastic site. This is a fantastic KOA. I have stayed at many, and this is by far our absolute favorite. Troy's got the propane fire pit going tonight up at our site. I'm gonna start dinner here. We just got back from the Point Lookout Winery, and we're ready for some food and to enjoy the chill of the evening. And here is one last view of this site in the daytime. Again, it's a great site to where you can just feel secluded, get away, come down here on this little island, read a book, listen to the sounds of nature. If you have any questions about this site or about this park, please feel free to reach out. And if you like what you saw, please hit subscribe. We are going to be doing more reviews of campgrounds and of the areas that we are visiting as we go along. As always, thanks for watching.